Hello warriors, welcome back to my channel. This is Cook with Kyeiwaa. If you're a new person here, I warmly welcome you. I say akwa back to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And also share the video and give a thumbs up for the video, okay? Thank you very much. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you very much for coming back to watch the videos. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious gizzard sauce with my fried yam. Yes, you heard me. Very delicious and tasty. So stay tuned. See, I'm going to use a lot of green peppers here. You know, it's green chili sauce. This some of the green peppers, but I'm going to use this two hot pepper. In addition, I still have some green chilies around. I have some garlic and also ginger that I'm going to blend with the sauce. I also have one big bell pepper and also some spring onions, and I also have one onion that I'm going to blend with it. I have more green peppers around. I said that I have a lot of green peppers, so this additional one. I also have red fish that I'll be using, and also some gizzard that has been washed nicely. I have some spices here. Yeah, you can use any spices that you want to spice your meat. And this are garlic and ginger that I have blended, and this is salt to taste. And this is my yam that I'm going to use, very big and fresh, and also some oil to fry. So let's start. So in this pot I'm going to add my gizzard and also all the spices and cook for about 15 minutes. I'm going to add everything here, including the ginger and garlic and all the spices and also the salt, and I'll add a little bit of water to it and just cook everything for about 15 minutes. So now you can see I have already peeled my yam very nicely and very beautiful. So I'm going to cut them into slices. So you can see I have already divided my yam into thin slices. So I'm now cutting them into smaller pieces, very thin, smaller pieces. This way, when you are frying them, you get that crunchy side of it, and also it cooks faster. So now I have finished cutting all the yam into smaller slices. As you can see, this is beautifully done. You have to be careful of your hand though when you are cutting them. I'm going to soak my yam in turmeric water. I've added the salt to it. This turmeric water. My yam looks very white and I want the yellowish color of it. So instead of using color in my food, I'm just going to use turmeric powder. You know, this is also healthy spice. So you just soak your yam into it, because I'm not frying it now. By the time I'm finished with the sauce, my yam would have turned to yellowish color that I desire. So just going to soak it in this water for a while. Now whilst our yam is comfortably there soaking in the turmeric powder water, I'm going to add my greens and blend them. I'm going to add everything together with my salt. I will add salt to it And also I'm going to add a little bit of oil to it and just blend them. So my greens are done, and I'm going to check how it looks like. Wow, let me get a closer look at this. This is very nice. This is just the way I like it. So I'm going to check how my gizzard is. Yeah, the gizzard, I can see it is done. I'm just going to switch off the fire now and allow it to cool down and fry it for the sauce. So my pan is already hot and I'm adding a little bit of my canola oil to it. You can add any oil, or you can use any oil that you want to fry your gizzard, and I'm going to add my gizzard to it and fry it. I'll be frying this gizzard for it to become very hard or crunchy, because I'll be adding it to the sauce. So I'm frying it until dark brown, but it shouldn't get burnt. So you can see my gizzard is hard enough or crunchy enough, and I'm just taking them out of the oil, and I'll be frying the fish also. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And if you like what you're seeing, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share the video. Thank you very much. So I'm going to put my fish in and fry it, and just go on to the next step. So now my fish and gizzard is done, and I'm going on to the sauce. I'm just using a little bit of my olive oil. You can use any oil that you prefer. I prefer using the olive oil for the sauce. And I'm going to add all the blended ingredients to it. My blended green sauce to it. Wow, you can see the pan was already hot, but not too hot. And you just give it a stir and allow it to cool, because with this sauce I've already added my garlic and everything. I will not be adding again any spices or salt to it again, because I've already added salt to it when I was blending it. So you just give it a stir and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. So you can see our sauce is done, and I'm going to add my gizzard to it, and oh my god, the aroma is nice. My home is already feeling the groove, you know. And for a reminder, a quick reminder, you can see I was having some bent bottom here. So when you are cooking this sauce, you have to take your time to cook it on a low heat, and also use a very good pan to cook it. Now I'm going to fry our yam. Yes, my oil was already hot. I'm still using the canola oil to fry it, not the olive oil, but the canola oil, because you know olive oil is not very good for deep frying. It will get it's easily burnt out, so it's very good for your sauces, but for the vegetable oils, they are good for things like this. Yeah, and also make sure you be turning your yam in regular intervals, because you don't want one side to be cooking too much or burn. It can easily bend on one side, so make sure that you'll be turning your yams around for a nice cook. or for even cook. I'm already happy because I know my yam is already done. So you just cook your yam. Depending on your heat, you can cook this for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Yeah. So my yam is already done. Yeah, my yam is now done. You can see it's the color is golden brown. It's not too brown because we don't want it to get burnt. It is already done and it is very crunchy. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And also click the notification bell for more videos so that you'll be the first person to always receive a video from us, okay? And you know, you are warriors, women. Women, we are warriors, okay? We are all warriors, one way or the other. Women, we fight different battles in our lives, and but we still keep on. We keep the lights on and our family together by the grace of God. But there's always peace and love in God. Don't forget that. Peace and love. That's all that we women we need. Enough peace and love. Please like and subscribe and share the video around. Okay, and thank you very much for your love and your support. And bye, and see you in my next video. Keep the peace.